What if your entire sales system could run even without the internet? Most businesses depend on unstable connections, and when the network fails, sales stops, records get lost, and operations suffer. Exclusive POS is powerful free point of sale system that works fully offline and syncs with your business platform in one click. Run your business without interruption. Even when there is no internet connection, when you're back online, simply click Sync, and all your data is instantly updated to your exclusive business account. Record sales, manage transactions, generate invoices, and issue receipts all in one system. Track your inventory with precision, scan products, manage SKUs, and monitor stock in real time. Download and use it for free on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, giving you full flexibility across all your devices. Choose from specialized POS designed for your business, fashion, restaurants, bakeries, pharmacies, furniture, schools, logistics, healthcare, and many more. Step 1. Visit the exclusive platform and go to the POS download section. Select the POS system that matches your business type. Download the version for your device, whether it's desktop or mobile. Install with just one click. No complex setup required. Start by adding your products. Record sales easily by scanning products or selecting them from your list. Generate professional receipts and invoices instantly and print them for your customers. Track all transactions with clear record of every sale. When you're online, click Sync, and your entire offline activity is updated to your business dashboard. This is not just a POS system. Download exclusive POS today and run your business with speed, flexibility, and total control.